Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy burger steak. First, combine 1 pound of ground beef with 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 egg, and your favorite seasonings like salt and pepper. Mix gently until just combined, then form into 4 equal patties. This quick preparation sets the stage for a truly satisfying and easy meal. Next, heat a large skillet over medium-high heat. Cook your burger patties for about 3 to 5 minutes per side until they are nicely browned and cooked through. You want a good sear for flavor. Once done, remove the patties from the skillet and set them aside on a plate. Keep those delicious pan drippings in the skillet. They are crucial for our gravy. Hey everyone, if you are finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that like button. And quick recommendation: staying hydrated in the kitchen is key, especially when cooking up something delicious. Grab an Owala water bottle to keep your drinks perfectly cold. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now let's make that amazing gravy. To the same skillet, add 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of flour, stirring to create a roux. Cook for 1 minute, then slowly whisk in 2 cups of beef broth. Continue stirring until the gravy thickens to your desired consistency. Season with salt, pepper, and a dash of Worcestershire sauce for extra depth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.